How to disable Truecaller pop-up after call. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can disable Truecaller pop-up after call. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get right into it. First step, open up your Truecaller. After you're on your Truecaller, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then tap on the profile icon on the top right. After you tap on it, there you'll find the settings section where you'll find notifications. Tap on that. Then tap on manage notification. And it should take you to Truecaller's notification settings. Under here, you'll find different options. All you have to do is turn off your banners and you're basically then good to go. Now you won't be getting any, pop-ups or any stuff like that, or if you don't want any notification at all, simply turn off the notification completely. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.